All right, today we're at the beautiful Altair gun range here. We're shooting exclusively estate handgun ammunition from Sunrise Tactical, along with some other great ammo they supply over there at the shop. Great prices. We're going to shoot some steel here throughout the day, some match footage, and we're going to see how this ammo performs. And I'll have all the information for you guys to check out Sunrise Tactical in the description box below. All right, so today we're going to run it through the Terran Tactical Innovations Glock 34. This is a generation 1 of that version of the Glock. We're going to see how she runs, and then we're going to go shoot it through an Akai 2011. Okay, so we're going to run some of this ammo we got at Sunrise Tactical through this beautiful Akai custom 2011 pistol here in 9. Got some TTI base pads. Going to load her up. See how she does. Some steel.